Meaning of double time.
Double time.
Double time.
Double time.
Double time. The phrase double time generally refers to a type of marching where soldiers increase their pace and step rhythm to move at twice the rate of their normal march. This is typically used in military training or during ceremonies and parades. When marching in double time, soldiers lift their legs higher and take shorter steps, resulting in a faster pace that can cover greater distances quickly. It requires a high level of physical fitness and endurance to maintain the faster pace for an extended period of time.